Hey everyone, Mark here at Seaway Hyundai. Welcome back to our virtual showroom. Here to show you another great pre-owned vehicle, 2017 Hyundai Santa Fe XL luxury all-wheel drive. Local trade, bought here, so you know we love our own trades, but we love every trade. No matter what you got, old, new, we want them. We want trades. So again, let's do a walk around this vehicle so you can see it's finished in a nice, it's like an off silver color. Very sharp, especially with the gunmetal wheels. As you can see, the wheels kind of match the color, so it's a nice combination. Really makes it stick out. We keep walking around. Some of the features: you have the turn signal indicators. As mentioned, you got the alloy wheels, you got fog lights, nice beefy grille. We haven't even got to the really good stuff. So yeah, you've got the side rails here. Side rails, you can always put cross rails if you ever wanted to add a ski box or kayak carrier or anything. Massive panoramic sunroof, check that out. We'll show you that sunroof very shortly. Let's work our way in the back here. Power lift gate, so simple, so easy. All the mats are back here. We like to keep those clean. This just came out of the detail shop. So again, room for 6 passengers. These seats fold really easy. You just grab that lever, fold flat like that. So again, really easy to use. Come right back up. There you go. You've also got rear temperature controls back there. You got some cup holders, some vents to keep everybody nice and cool in the back, because that's important. You got a 115 volt here, so you can plug in a cooler. Power lift gate, boom. It's also on your fob, and it's also, you can also access it by the driver's seat. So 3 ways to shut that lift gate. So some of the cool features in the back for your passengers: you get these privacy shades. Not only great for privacy, also to keep the sun off little ones or your pets. Great feature. Heated seats, 2-stage on both outside seats. Nice leather. The captain seats, big panoramic sunroof. There's Dave over there. Cup holders here for your passengers. So tons of features. Infinity sound system, so upgraded sound system. It just keeps getting better. So push button start, proximity key. I've got the key in my pocket. Check this out. Remote starter on top of everything. So I hit it once, I've locked it. Hit it once, unlock it. So again, the key just has to be in your pocket, anywhere near you. That will definitely trigger to lock and unlock the doors. So power windows, power locks, power mirrors. You've got locking rear windows. You've got 2-stage memory seats, which is really nice. You've got a power driver's seat. Interior wise, lots of standard features. You got lane departure warning, you got a heated steering wheel. This is to turn on your 115 volt in the back. You have 4-wheel drive lock for a really snowy winter day, which I don't want to talk about right now. Traction control, downhill assist brake control. You've got drive modes, and you've got the interior illumination. So some lots and lots of features, lots to learn. Here we go. Here we go. Push button start. Great feature with the proximity key. So leather wrapped steering wheel. You got all your volume controls here, Bluetooth hands-free calling. You've got your infotainment center here, information center. I'm just going to turn that down a little bit. So again, you can toggle through, adjust some of the settings to your specifications. So nice feature there. And all your cruise controls. So again, nice steering wheel, lots of stuff at the fingertips. We move over, you've got 3-stage heated seats on both sides. You've got parking sensors as well as a backup camera. This, you can shut off your parking sensors. So the only time I set my sensors off is, let's say it's a snowy and icy day and you get a little buildup back there. Sometimes they go a little squirrely. So again, you have the ability to shut them off. Okay. You got all your inputs and auxiliaries down here. You got dual zone climate control. What else we got? We got front rear defrost. You've got AC. You've got so much stuff. You got rear AC, so your rear passengers in the back can adjust the temperature there for them. Navigation. Let's see, here's the map. Big size map, good size backup camera. You got XM radio, Sirius XM radio. So if you've got a subscription, you can just transfer it onto this one, or maybe you're new to XM radio. It's a great feature, you should check it out. So again, leather seats, nice dash, lots of features. XL luxury all-wheel drive, full of features, local trade. So again, I want to thank you for joining me in the local showroom, the virtual showroom today. And as always, you can call, text, or email us if you have any additional questions about this vehicle. Oops, sorry, I left the key in my pocket there. If you have any questions about this or any other vehicle, new or pre-owned, we're here to help. And as always, you can shop 24/7 at seawayhyundai.com.